Alright, hey everyone, Phil, 33 Mile Bees. I know it's been a couple weeks since I got a video out. I tried a couple more times in the meantime, and one time it didn't record, and another time I had some other issues. So this here is my cell builder. I'm just going through it right now for queen grafting, and I'm checking on to make sure there's no rogue cells in here. Rogue cells being unwanted queen cells. I want to try and keep it controlled on where the queen cells are being developed and the timing of them. So I just need to check this one. I had right at the beginning of the film there, I had one cell on that one I had to destroy. Alright. Not quite as many bees in here as what I hoped to have, but that's alright. This one they're back filling with the nectar. Alright, so next frame here is when I did the queen grafting on. See how we did. I did a little overboard. I did 3 rows of 15 each, so 45 queen cells. First time I've ever done it. So we get one. Well, we're doing good. So we'll find out together here. I've not looked yet. Let's see how we did. I grafted these 2 days ago. So we should see them going out if there is any. Alright, let's see what we got out of 45. Well, out of 45, yeah, 43 out of 45. The very first time doing queen rearing. Wow, I didn't expect to have that many. So 43 out of 45. We're just going to put that back in there. And the fact that I have way too many queen cells now. Like I said, I only expected to get a couple. That is pretty exciting. You get 45, or out of 43 out of 45. Alright, so all I'm doing here is going up here, looking for any of these cells. Like I said, any rogue cells. And on this side, oops, it was falling down. So, I am going to keep going through here, checking for any other rogue cells. I got a couple more frames to go through, and yeah, I think that went over pretty good. So let's see what happens. See how many of them actually hatch out. How many of them come back mated if I get that far. I don't know what I'm going to do with that many, but time will tell. Alright, well, I'm going to close this back up, and I am going to call that a success. So, thanks for watching. Pretty soon, quite possibly, watch, might have queens for sale, and we'll go from there. Actually, I think this was flipped around. That's it sticking out. Yeah, there we go. All right, carefully slide that back over. Slide that frame over. This one goes in. All right, well, didn't quite expect that. Put the food back on, and we'll see what happens. But thanks for watching. I'll try and get another video out. Some of the next steps here for queen rearing. Don't know if I'll be able to, but we'll give it a shot. So yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you all later.